So, hi sir, good morning. I'm Juliper Casalay from BSIT 3B. And hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Microsoft Windows Calculator. And I'm going to show how to copy calculations made on the Windows Calculator and paste the results into a Notepad document. As you can see, Notepad is open on the left side of my screen and calculator is here on the right. So for this demonstration, let's just perform a simple subtraction problem. So you will enter the current year and then subtract the year you were born. And click equals.
Dibo muna.
So with the number visible in the display, so press Ctrl C and your keyboard to copy this number. And then click over in the Notepad document and press Ctrl B to paste the number. So this is a quick and easy way to transfer calculation from the Windows Calculator to another application on your computer. So thank you for taking time to watch this video.